Hey guys, how's it going? It's time for another Sawzami knife project. So I've got this older, this is a Victorinox Pioneer Pilgrim, I think is what it's called. So the blade's pretty worn, and it has a smaller clip point as well. That's quite nice, that blade. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to reprofile the blade. I'm going to make it a sheep's foot blade, so it'll be good for harder use in like the workshop when I'm marking out things to cut, if I'm cutting out like the silhouettes like for knives and stuff. And I don't know if you can see there, but the edge is pretty uneven, so I'm going to take it right back and I'm going to reprofile the edge as well. And then I'm probably going to sand around the edges here to tidy up the colour a bit. I might even sand all of that red off. But so first I'm going to do the blade, so we'll get that out of the way and then we'll see how we go. Right guys, so I reshaped the blade. I've actually decided that I'm not going to sand it off and stuff. I'm just going to leave it kind of rough, just as a work knife. So I'm just going to sort of give this a little polish up, but not too much. Right, so there we go, that's the type of jobs that I'll be using this knife for. Yeah, just for basic work. So yeah, just a little project. I hope you guys enjoyed that. So I took an older blade that was quite worn out, and I've repurposed it for uses that I want it for. Alright, so let me know what you guys think. If you think it was a good idea, if you think it was a bad idea. Alright, we'll see you guys next time.